Got something. What? It's another baby shark. Ooh. Relax. Oh, he's got this baby shark. Like first cast out here. Look at its teeth. Really cool little shark. I don't know what you call this, but gonna get him back in the water. Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Oh! Big trout! Oh! Alright. Oh, mate! Look at that! Woo! Massive trout, look at the mouth on it. So crazy. Second one today. P4. Let's get him back in. Oh! Oh, stops. Just in here, you ready? Yep. Yep. Oh. So just there's heaps of them. Yep. Yep. Oh, Mila. Oh. Oh, he's in the rock pool. Look at that. Look at him. Oh. Bent the hook. Bent 2 hooks. No. Yeah, a little change. Hectic. Tide's coming in already. Wow. Ah. 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 Oh! Come on, come on, come on. Oh. Nice chunky little trevally. Just straight off here, first cast. Awesome fish. Oh, it's got a full bunk head. Look at that head. No way. I'm gonna get the lure out so I don't get hooked and I'm gonna release him in the rock pool. Boozy, Boozy! You got it, you got it, you got it. Oh, we got you, man. You're not going in. Oh! Yes! My balls hurt so much. I'll jump in. Is that a bull shark? I'm so frothy. Yes! So heavy. He's big, man. Oh my god. Woo! Really heavy. Just spoke to the local woman, said there's maybe no fish here, but we'll see. Oh! 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 And a red bass. Oh! Oh my god! Look at that red bass. Holy! Holy moly! The village woman said she wanted me to give her a fish to keep and cook, but that was first cast out here. I'm gonna try and cast again and get something else. I want to release this guy. Yep. Whoa. Oh. Oh. Bit. I don't know what this is, but it's bigger. Oh. Woo. Really nice Emperor plastic. Perfect hooker. So nice. He's just looking at me going, what are you doing? What are you doing, mate? Right now, a little water release. up here sight casting, squid, frothing.